Oil filtering and polishing. In this video, we will go over the procedure for properly filtering and polishing your oil. You should filter your oil after every 20 rounds of full loads on a 6-head fryer and every 30 rounds of full loads on a 4-head fryer, or after cooking 120 heads of chicken. You should polish your oil at least once a day. The first thing you need to do is install your filter paper onto the filter plate. Slide the filter paper onto the plate. Ensure that the hole in the paper lines up with the hole in the filter plate. Fold the excess paper under the plate. Next, you want to attach the filter tube and clamp to the filter plate. Loosen the 2 wing nuts on the clamp and slide the clamp onto the filter plate end that has the hole. You should feel the filter tube slide into the filter plate hole. Tighten the 2 wing nuts and secure the clamp to the filter plate. Next, set the filter plate and filter tube into the filter machine. Attach the filter tube hose to the pump input connection. And then attach the filter hose and wand to the pump output connection. Next, you want to roll the filter machine under the fryer. Ensure that the fryer drain is over the filter tank. It is very important to make sure that you turn the fryer off before draining the oil. Open the drain valve and allow the oil to flow into the filter machine tank. Drain the oil out until it stops flowing from the drain valve. Using the drain hook, remove the heat plate from the collector. Next, place the wand down into the fryer pot. Turn on the filter machine and use the wand to spray oil around the pot to help rinse the pot clean. Shut the filter machine off and allow oil to drain from the fryer. Next, using your displacer, slowly push the displacer down into the collector, forcing the oil in the collector to rise and exit the drain valve. Slowly remove the displacer from the collector. Close the drain valve at this time. Using the drain hook, remove the collector from the fryer. Pour the remaining oil and cracklings from the collector into the filter machine. Remove the collector gasket and clean the collector and gasket in warm soapy water. If it is time to rotate your collector gasket, remove the replacement gasket from the walk-in cooler. Dip the gasket in oil. Using your fingers, apply a coat of oil to the gasket. Next, install the gasket onto the collector, ensuring not to overstretch it. Place the collector down into the fryer with the collector loop on the front side. Using the plugging tool, tap the collector back down into place, ensuring that the collector is fully seated. Insert the filter wand into the fryer, placing the wand between the elements and the side of the fryer pot. Turn on the filter machine and pump the filtered oil back into the fryer. Once the filter machine has pumped all the oil from the filter tank into the fryer, turn off the filter machine. Remove the filter paper and discard, and then clean all the components of the filter machine. Next, inspect the oil level of your fryer. Top off to the minimum line if needed. You are ready at this point to turn your fryer back on and continue frying. At least once during the day, you will need to polish your oil during filtering. To polish your oil, simply drain your oil from the fryer into the filter tank. Insert the wand down into the filter tube and plate outlet and turn the pump on. Let the filter run for about 15 minutes. After polishing your oil, you can pump the oil back into the fryer using the hose and wand.